Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix ChatGPT suspicious behavior from phone numbers similar to yours problem. So if you are having this problem right here, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you are having and experiencing this issue, all you have to do guys is go over to help.openai.com, and all we need to do here is contact the support of OpenAI. So in order to do that, go to the bottom right corner here, and you just have to go ahead and send them a message right here, and through live support or live chat, when it is available, they can fix your issue here. So all you have to do guys is go ahead and click on ChatGPT here, and just go ahead and scroll down until you see your issue right here. So for this example, all you have to do is go ahead and type in other, and just proceed with the process below. So you can also go ahead and go to the help center guys, and in here you can find the issues here stated, and there are solutions for them here. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.